Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B investing in BI, and we're going to take a look at Indigo protocol. Taking a look at our stake, we are sitting at 179.66 staked Indigo tokens. Our pool share is 0.01%. Rewards earned since we've pulled, all that big stack of ADA, like 30 plus ADA in that last week there. 3.3. It's been jumping up a bit. It wasn't like the big one that we got, the big payout. Things have been a little bit slower, but still killing it on the ADA rewards as far as like compared to just natively staking ADA. Like this is just way better than that for me. Not saying to dump all your ADA into Indie tokens. Indie is a bit on the up and down side, so I suggest either just biting the bullet and picking up the bag, the amount that you want, if you've got the cash, or if not, do it like we've been doing, utilizing those free 50 airdrops that we got, trading, buying low, selling high. I've been doing that to accumulate. We got some donations from some viewers, so that was cool. No matter how little or how much, I appreciate that, and it helps. As you see, we aren't big money spenders here. We're just we're doing the DeFi for the poor guy, I guess. So that's what we got going on. Let's take a look and see what Indie rewards we got. We got 1.22 Indie ready to be claimed, and then we've got the stability pool. I've been thinking about pulling out of the stability pool, swapping that IUSD, and picking up maybe some more tokens. I don't think I'm going to pick up ADA right now just because of the price pump recently. I think that's going to retrace at some point. Just the markets, they are what they are, right? We got 1.47 in Indie rewards sitting in there, just stacking up. So yeah, but let's take a look. What I want to look at is I want to look at governance. We don't have any proposals right now, but so let's take a look at the forum. Saw some cool temp checks. This one, there's this one and this one. So we've got temp check proposal for DAO approval to form protocol advisor working group. This is from a moderator. I think this is a team member. I don't know. But this was dropped 11 hours ago. The Indigo, let's blow this up a little bit so you can see a little better. The Indigo team, get a little bit bigger. Yeah. The Indigo team, the Indigo Labs team would like to propose that the Indigo DAO authorize the creation of a protocol working group, or PWG. Section 3.5 of the Indigo Constitution authorizes the creation of working groups by a vote of the DAO members. Working groups are commonly used in DAOs as a way for selected members to collaborate on important issues or projects and to give detailed guidance and advice to the greater DAO membership. In this way, working groups can help ensure that the most thoughtful and thoroughly debated suggestions are presented as temp checks and then as on-chain governance proposals for a vote by a full DAO membership. So they want everyone voting, all stake tokens, they want voting on this stuff. We propose that the PWG be authorized by the DAO to focus on suggesting improvements to the protocol, that is, improvements to the reward structure, fees structure, economic incentives, safeguards, etc., that form the features and desired economic logic of the protocol. System solvency and security of are paramount important of the longevity of the protocol, so all changes should be thoroughly considered by the community. The PWG members may issue final reports to all members and may draft new temp checks on issues that the PWG members agree to put forward to the members. The labs team would not be a member of the PWG, but will be authorized to attend meetings and to provide assistance as requested by the PWG. For example, since the PWG may propose design changes to the protocol, labs can help ensure that any changes are technically feasible and assist with any audit process. Interesting. They're talking about design. Like design what? The design and the way the protocol works, or like actual design, like the colors and stuff like that. Several participants in the Indigo Discord server have already invested a good deal of effort and expertise in analyzing the protocol and have identified important issues and bugs, such as reward calculation errors. We think it is the best interest of the DAO and the protocol to take advantage of their insights and efforts by asking them to be initial members of the PWG. We suggest that the DAO discuss and nominate these individuals in the comments of this Temp check, and that the ones with the most support be formally nominated to be PWG members in a new Temp check, and thereafter be voted on in a proposal. Okay. Participants in this proposed PWG will be voluntary, unpaid positions. The PWG would be authorized to be in place for the remainder of 2023, but its authorization could, of course, be extended by a further vote of the members. Any PWG member could resign at any time, and the DAO could vote to remove any member at any time. Interesting. The PWG members would agree to have calls at least bi-weekly, but otherwise would be free to organize their efforts as they see fit. This Temp check does not require that any PWG members personally identify themselves, as anonymity in social channels is understandably important to some members of the DAO community. Yeah. We believe that the proposal PWG would greatly benefit the Indigo protocol by harnessing the collective expertise and dedication to Indigo of the community, while at the same time furthering our standing as the most decentralized DeFi protocol on Cardano. We ask for everyone's support to look forward to answering any questions. Man, I like this one. That's why I hit the love earlier. Let's see what people are saying. I really like this proposal. Yep. I love this proposal. I know there'll be a lot of people passionate and knowledgeable about the protocol who would have great ideas. I would be to have a group of them working on those ideas in a more organized structure that is also coordinated with the team. It's a good resolution to keep the community further involved. There's definitely experts out here from what I've seen in the Discord. Bring it. I think it's a great idea. Great way to get folks involved in the DAO. Can we integrate a quarterly or semi-annual vote for the members so as not to stagnate, as well as offer the opportunity for others to gain educational experience? And how many members are planned for the group? 5, 7, 2. Thank you for the proposal. Great idea. I like this. Thank you. I like it. Great idea. So, anyone have any nominations? Spuds, 3, Mina Moma, J Wolf, to name a few. I think I remember that. I think that's a C-Swap guy, if I'm not mistaken. The Indigo, they don't like me. They would never nominate me. The Indigo Discord has been one of the most intellectual places lately to talk about DeFi on Cardano. For sure, good to push decentralization like this. Good proposal that definitely has merit to points that I would be important to make the PWG as effective possible. The labs team should commit to delegate a person to attend at least the bi-weekly calls. This will improve the efficiency of the communication by a lot from my experience to ensure PWG is not in a silo cooking its own soup. While probably not technically feasible right now, I would strongly encourage discussion on compensating. Whichever form that may take. I don't know, man. I think that would create problems. I just think that would create problems. If there's money involved, people are going to want to join just for the sake of getting money. I don't really like that. I like that it's voluntary. It should work almost just like an HOA group would work. I mean, you're in it because it benefits you. The direction of the community goes because you have a vested interest in the community, being a staker, being an indie holder, or being a user of the platform. If those positions were paid, it would create a dynamic that isn't necessary. I think paying is the payment is the success of the DAO, the success of the protocol, the forward motion of the protocol is what we all benefit in. Adding payment, just I don't know. At least not right out of the gate. maybe that's going to be something that we vote on. Who knows? But this is a great proposal. This is a great temp check proposal. I approve this. I like it. I like it a lot. And hopefully, I mean, it should. I anticipated this going to a proposal vote on platform. So just wanted to check out some of the temp checks that were out there. A lot of bad ones were on there that I just didn't see going anywhere. This is one that I can see popping up. So we need to make sure that we vote on this so that we can keep rolling in that 90-day indie stake so that we can keep getting rewards. So thank you for checking out the channel. Make sure you hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.